All right, we looked at the program structure of P5 programs, not of all programs, and not even of all JavaScript programs, and not of all programs on Ancient Brain, but all P5 programs. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some code, and it does really matter where it's push, whether it's push in setup, in draw, or outside. So we just follow the instructions and see how it goes. So the code is to paint the cube. The cube is painted with a solid color. It'd be nice to paint it with some kind of image. So back in the editor, let's just see where we are. And if I run, what we have is something that's not actually a cube. So let me just fix that. I'll put it back to being a cube. So you see what I'm doing here in the code. I'm commenting out where we made it not a cube, and I'm commenting back in the, so to speak, the code, the original code, which makes it a cube. So now when I run it, it's a cube, and it's got a solid color, and we can change the color from navy to green or something, but that's not too exciting. There we go. So what we want to do is we want to push an image onto that cube. So let's follow the instructions. It says insert the following code at the top of the program. And I don't have to select this. There's a little button there that will do it for me, but only in the tutorial. And I press copy, and we go into the editor, and it says put it up at the top, it said. So up at the top, there we go. And then back to the tutorial, and it says put the following code inside the draw function. That's the one that's executed every time step. So we just copy that. And it says remove the line that makes the cube a solid color. So back to the editor. And that's the line that makes the cube a solid color. You know what I'm going to do with it now. I'm going to comment it out rather than delete it. I hate deleting stuff. There we go. It's commented out, and we put in the new line, and I press save, and I bet it's going to work straight away. And there we go. So what that did was it took a JPEG that was already on the system, and it painted a cube with it, and it was that easy. At least the instructions were that easy. So the question might arise, what can we put onto the cube? Can we paint it in different ways? Can we put our own image onto it? So let's just have a look at the code for a second. The real thing you might be looking at is up the top, where it says load image, and this looks like the address of an image, doesn't it? It looks like this is the name of an image, and there's no HTTP here. So is this image on Ancient Brain? Yep, it is. So basically you have to paint with images and resources that are on Ancient Brain. But the good thing is that you can upload your own images to Ancient Brain. So you can find an image, upload it, and then paint it directly onto your cube.